Yo, what's up guys? It's the Blue Yonko TCG, and in today's video, we will be opening up Naruto Wave 1 Tier 1. I've never opened up any Naruto packs ever, so I'm very excited to do this. And what other way to, do it than to just open up the very first one they made for the Kayou, edition, collection, whatever you want to say, but I'm very excited to get into this. There is 36 packs in this. I did open up the box beforehand just to, see what was in it. I didn't open up any packs. None of the packs have been touched yet. I'm very, very excited to get into this one. So let's get into it. Let's just take these out real quick. Let's just move this off to the side. All right. You know what? We're going to shuffle these up real quick. Alrighty, a lot of packs. Let's get into this though. All right, so we got a Sasuke. I forget his name. That's Kiba, but I forgot the other guy's name. Jugo. And one of the Cloud Shinobi. I forget his name. It's been a while since I've seen Naruto, but that's actually really nice. SR. Let's just put this over here. Get into our next pack. We've got Rock Lee, Ino, Sasuke. What's his name? It's one of Kakashi's dogs. Man. Oh, and SR Might Guy. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Let's just set that with the SRs. Let's put these ones over here, actually, so we don't get them mixed up. I'm not too sure what's in these, so... Why isn't it opening? Oh, there we go. Okay, we got an Ino, a Naruto, a Ruka, shooting exam. What was that? Just a rare. What is her name? Anko? Wait, this is actually bothering me that I can't remember these people's names. Okay, just sitting here thinking about it, I realized who these are. This is Genma, my guy, Darowi, and that's Anko, so I was right about that one. And this is Pakun. And this was Hayate, if I'm not wrong. I don't know why. I was like sitting here thinking, I was like, wait a minute, who are these? I was like, well, I knew who they are, but I just couldn't think on the spot. It's like, I guess, being nervous or something. Okay. Sasuke, Amaterasu, Karin, Rock Lee. Ooh, and Aruka Sensei, SR. That's pretty nice. I am so sorry that I cannot remember these names, guys. It's been a while. I mean... and there's just some of the characters that aren't, I just can't remember some. We got Genma, Timari, Neji, Choji, and the flute girl. I can't remember her name. Dang, this sucks. She's one of the... Got a Sasuke. a Neji, a Choji. We got her again. And then we got Ow. He's the guy with the Hyuga eye. SR. He's part of the... He was very, very important during the Great Shinobi War. See what else we got in here, though. Hinata, Shikamaru, Naruto, Shizune, and Choji. That has a little shine to it. That's pretty cool. One of the sound ninja from the tuning exams. Hayate, Tenten, Kiba. Oh, an SR Sasuke. That's actually awesome looking. I really like that card. Another Gamatotsu. I swear I'm saying that name right. I don't know. Gamatotsu, Rock Lee, Naruto, Anko. Oh, wow. Look at that. SR? That's Shikamaru's dad. That's, I want to say Shikaku. Shikaku. I mean, if I was to name Shikamaru's son, I definitely want to get that. I am going to start Boruto soon. That's all I know. I might rewatch Naruto first before, just to, you know, get a refresher. I know it's like 200 episodes for the original, 500 for Shippuden, but honestly, I don't care. It's a great anime. Alrighty. We got Shikamaru. We got one of the Sound Ninja. Can't remember his name. We got Kankuro. We got Granny Chio. Is that a SR? This is an SR. Nice. I do apologize if I'm butchering up names or any of that. I'm not a fake Naruto fan. I do like Naruto. It's one of the very first ones I watched. Naruto, Temari, Hinata, and a Neji. Okay. I don't know if Itachi's in this. It'd be really cool if he was, or like a Sasori. I do like Sasori as well. Even Kisame. I think he's cool. I like sharks, and he's a shark like kind of character, so. We got Sakura. We got Ibiki. We got Shino, Naruto, Gamatotsu. Just a regular rare. Nice. Okay. I'm really excited to watch Boruto, though. I mean, I know there's a lot of hate on it, but I don't know. Maybe there's just a hate train that everybody follows, but I don't know. I'm going to watch it and give my own opinion about it. We got another Ibiki. Oh, we got a Gaara. That's awesome. Shino, Sakura, and an SR Naruto. Nice. Got the main character right there. Get into our next pack. Okay, we got a Kankuro. Is that Shino? Looks like him. Sakura. One of the Sound Ninja. Ooh, and a Sasuke rare. Sasuke, one of my favorite characters. I know he's pretty edgy, but I like Sasuke. I think he has good character development over time. One of the Sound Ninja again. Temari, Choji, Kankuro, and an SR Gaara. Pretty awesome. I do like Gaara, but they kind of did him dirty. He had like a glow down. I saw what his Boruto character looked like. Oh man, his haircut is pretty silly. But you know, it is what it is. They get older. Got a Tenten, got a Sakura, Shizune, Neji, and another Sasuke. Cool. That a Shikamaru I see? It is Sugetsu, Hiba, one of the Sound Ninja, and Renai Sensei. If I said that right. SR, that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, we haven't got like any SSRs, or is it UR? I don't know what the other one is. Is the UR the rarest you can get in this? Or is it something else? I didn't get to check any of the like cards or rarities, so I'm like going in fully blind. But we got a Naruto, a Hinata, one of the Sound Ninja, Kankuro, and another Choji. I wonder... I mean, I know there's like certain rarities, I just don't know if it ends at UR. Does it say anything on the box? I don't see anything on the box. We got an Ino, Aruka, Rock Lee, Sasuke, oh, and an SR Kid Naruto, or like more so like a, I don't know, he's like 10 years old, but yeah, it's OG Naruto per se. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got one of the Sound Ninja 5, it looks like, the spider guy. Gaara, Sakura, Karin, and Neji. I think Neji was a really well-written character. But out of all of them, it's definitely Kakashi. Like, Kakashi's just... I don't know, there's just something about him. Naruto just has really amazing characters. Even their villains are really nice. Neji, Sasuke, Jugo, Shino, and Asai. SR. It's pretty awesome. See what we get in here. So far we haven't got an SSR, but you know, that's how it is. Kankuro, Shino, Sakura, the Spider Dude, and Rock Lee. Cool. I am gonna sleeve all the cards on the right after this, just cause. Sugetsu, Tenten, Hiba, Sasuke. Ooh. An SSR Rock Lee? That's actually sick. Okay, I'm actually gonna sleeve this one up right now. That's a really nice hit. Rock Lee, underrated character. They did him dirty. He could have been so much better. Like, why'd they do him like that? But he is strong. But I feel like he deserved more. The Gaara versus Rock Lee fight will always be one of my favorites. That fight, it's insane. Ino, Karin, Aruka, Rock Lee, and an SR Sakura. What else do we have in here? We got a Shino, Spider Guy, Gaara, Sakura, and an Anko. Hey, we got a Naruto, Tamari, Hinata, Ino. Okay, cool. I don't really like Ino, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, what's this? Oh, what is this? Oh, no way. We got a UR Jiraiya. Wow, that's sick. Okay. Let's just place this here for right now. Ibiki, Gaara, Shino, Sakura. Wow. An SSR Rock Lee and a UR Jiraiya? I would love to get this signed by like Jiraiya's voice actor. That'd be sick. All right, we got Gemma, Tamari, Neji, Choji, and an SR Sasuke. We have about we have 11 packs left. We already went through 2/3. I mean, so far, we got some really nice stuff. All right, we got a Hinata, we got a Naruto, a Pakun, a Tenten, and one of the Cloud Ninja. I don't remember his name, if I'm quite honest. I remember Darui. Took me a little while, but finally thought of the name. Got Ino, Tamari, Shikamaru, that guy. Whoa! Look at that, SSR Naruto. Wow. That's sick. I was not expecting that. Okay, I don't know if I'm getting like lucky or are these just, I don't know what's like guaranteed in these boxes. I really haven't done my research on any of this stuff other than what the rarities are. Other than is there one after UR? Is it like One Piece where there's like SP, like a special? But I'm not too sure. Nothing. All right, let's see. What's in the next one? In a lot of Sasuke's. I'm gonna put at least one of each Sasuke I got in a binder. Haruka Sensei. Wonder if Azuma's in this. I do like him. He's a pretty cool character. Sasuke. Alrighty. Oh, got a Karin. Uzumaki. I was really hoping we get an Itachi, but I don't know. Oh, we got a Yamato. Sick. I wonder if we'll get like last pack magic. Come on, last pack magic. All right, let's see. Maybe. Okay, we're starting off with Curse Mark Sasuke. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is this? SSR Sai? That's sick. Okay, wait, that is last pack magic. We got 3 SSRs and a UR. I don't really know what's guaranteed. After I'm done wrapping up this recording, I am definitely gonna check out what like the hit rate is and like just what's a good hit. Like, I mean, honestly, I'm happy with all of these. We got the MC, we got Naruto, we got Sai, who replaced Sasuke for a little bit. We got Jiraiya, one of the legendary Sannin. And we got my boy Rock Lee. Like, come on, who doesn't like Rock Lee? Let me know in the comments, which one of these 4 do you like the most? In my opinion, I'm definitely gonna say Jiraiya. I would love to get like the English voice actor to autograph it, and one day, if I possibly could, to get also the Japanese voice actor to autograph it. That'd be so nice. I'd like definitely gonna put it in a nice hardcover sleeve, and it's just one of my favorites. I definitely like that Jiraiya card, and the Naruto card's really sick. The Rock Lee and the Sai. I don't know. Just let me know which one's your favorite, and if you're watching Boruto, let me know. How is it? I really want to watch it. I have not seen anything. I don't know anything about it. I don't know the spoilers. I just know all the way up to Naruto Shippuden. So, but if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and if you want, you can subscribe. I'm definitely gonna get a Naruto playmat for when I do the Naruto videos. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get yet. I did see an Obito one I really like, so I might get that, but I'll catch you guys later. This is the Blue Yonko signing out. Peace.